Hi everyone. Today we're going to be propagating a spider plant. It's got a lot of babies on here. They're also called offsets, plantlets, spideretts, but I call them pups, or you can call them babies. And I got a few on here, and we're going to be propagating today. And this is my spider plant. Now what you want to do is get right behind, see this long stem here, right up in here, and just cut that off. Okay, I cut this one off, and you can see there's some, let's see if we can focus this, there's some nodes back there. And we're going to set it right in this jar of water. I filled it way up. Put it right in here, make sure it's touching the water, and let that root. And this one I rooted about a couple months ago. And I keep it in this jar of water by my kitchen window. I hang it there. And just don't forget to change the water every now and then. And you can either put this in some dirt or leave it in here for a while. And you'll have more spider plants. And there's two I have now. And I have some more babies on here that are growing. And some more. And some little ones coming out in here. And I want to thank you all for watching. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Bye-bye for now.